So whenever we actually go ahead and create a post, what happens is that it is assigned with a category by default. And if you don't have any category, then it'll simply be tagged as uncategorized. So you can also manage these categories inside of WordPress. And to do that, over here on the left hand side, you can go around over here and categorize it out. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go around over here onto the post section right here, and here you can see that the categories is an option right here, just like this. So once you go ahead and do that, you can see that I have a sample category and an uncategorized option right here. This is the one which is there by default. So now what I'm going to do is, let's say for example, add a new category right here. Let's say for example, I'm going to go around and say education right here, and you can add a new category right here simply by clicking it, and then you can see that the education category has been added in. Simply let me just go around and type in entertainment right here, click on add new category, and that particular category gets added out right here, just like this. So now what I'm going to do is simply go ahead and, let's say for example, add in fun right here as category, and you can choose entertainment as the parent of category, as you can see right here as well, and say this is for the fun activities right here, just like this. And you can go ahead and see that the category is here as well, and you got a description as well. So you can go ahead and quickly edit this right here and update it. You can delete out the category as well, view the category as well, and so forth, as you can see. So if I were to go ahead and delete this, then this particular category gets deleted and you're back to the original 4 categories, as you can see right here. And that is how you can create and manage out categories inside of wordpress.com. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.